Today, we're going on a wonderful adventure with a very special bunny named Mochi. Are you ready to see what magic we can find in the garden? Let's begin. The sun is shining brightly, birds are singing their sweet songs, and a gentle breeze rustles the leaves. It's a perfect spring day, and our friend, Mochi the Bunny, is hopping with excitement in his beautiful garden. Mochi has soft, white fur, long floppy ears, and a twitchy little nose that's always sniffing for new adventures. Today, he feels like planting something truly special. As he hops along a path of smooth, grey stones, his big, curious eyes spot something tiny lying on the ground. He leans in closer, his whiskers tickling the grass. What could it be? It's a seed. But it doesn't look like any ordinary seed. It's small and perfectly round, with a rich, brown color. Almost like a tiny drop of sweet chocolate. Mochi gently picks it up. It feels smooth and warm from the sun. He knows right away that this isn't just any seed. It's a magic seed, and it's his job to help it grow. Mochi scurries over to his little garden shed, a cute little mushroom with a red and white spotted roof. Inside, he finds his favorite tool, a tiny silver watering can. It's so shiny, it glitters in the sunlight like a star. With his precious seed in one paw and his silver watering can in the other, Mochi is ready to be a gardener. He looks around for the perfect spot. Not too shady, not too sunny, but just right. He finds a patch of soft, dark earth that looks perfect for a new plant friend. First things first, the seed needs a cozy home. Using his paws, Mochi carefully digs a small hole in the earth. The soil is cool and feels wonderful. He pats the sides to make it nice and neat. Then, with great care, he places the little brown seed inside. He leans down and whispers to it, "There you go, little seed. Is it cozy in your new bed?" He gently pushes the soft earth back over the seed, tucking it in like he's tucking a baby bunny into bed for the night. The seed is now safe and sound, hidden away, ready to begin its magical journey. Now, what does every seed need to grow big and strong? That's right, water. Mochi takes his shiny silver watering can and fills it with cool, clear water from a dewdrop collected on a big green leaf. He tips the can just a little, and a gentle stream of water sprinkles over the spot where the seed is sleeping. "A little drink for you," he says softly. He knows the water will help wake up the magic inside the seed. But water isn't the only thing a seed needs. It also needs warmth and light. Mochi looks up at the sky and sees the big, bright yellow sun smiling down on the garden. The sun is like a giant, warm blanket for all the plants. Its golden rays reach down and warm the soil, telling the seed that it's time to wake up and grow. Mochi knows that with the fresh water and the warm sun, the magic seed has everything it needs. Now comes the hardest part for an excited little bunny. Waiting. Mochi is a very patient gardener. Every single day he visits the special spot. He makes sure the soil is just right. In the morning, he greets the sun. In the afternoon, he checks for thirsty weeds. And every day, he sings a little song to encourage his hidden friend. Grow, little seed, grow. Reach for the sky from down below. Here hops around the spot, his fluffy white tail bouncing with hope. He watches and waits, imagining what beautiful surprises growing under the ground. Then one morning, something incredible happens. As Mochi is doing his daily check, he sees something peeking out from the earth. It's a tiny green sprout. Just a little speck of green, pushing its way up toward the sunlight. It's happening! It's happening! Mochi cheers, doing a happy little hop, skip, and a jump. He can't believe his eyes! The magic seed has heard his song. A tiny, delicate leaf has unfurled, greeting the world with a vibrant green color. The color of new life and fresh spring grass. From that day on, the little plant grows faster and faster. The fresh air in the garden makes it strong, and the daily sunshine helps it stretch taller and taller. Soon, it's not just one tiny leaf, but two, then four, then a whole stem reaching for the sky. Mochi watches in awe as his plant friend grows bigger and stronger every day. He makes sure it has plenty of water from his silver watering can and continues to sing his growing song to it. The garden feels more magical than ever before. Finally, the most exciting day of all arrives. At the very top of the tall, green stem, a little bud has formed. It's closed up tight, holding a secret inside. Mochi watches it all day, his nose twitching with anticipation. And then, as the sun begins to set, painting the sky in beautiful colors, the bud slowly starts to open. Petal by petal, it unfolds to reveal a breathtakingly beautiful pink flower. The pink is soft and gentle, like a fluffy cloud at sunrise or the color of sweet strawberry ice cream. The flower is simply perfect. Mochi leans in close to admire it. A wonderful sweet scent fills the air. It smells like honey and all the best parts of spring combined. It's the most beautiful flower he has ever seen. Just then, a little bee with fuzzy yellow and black stripes comes buzzing by. The bee circles the flower and lands gently on one of the pink petals. "Hello, friend," Mochi chirps happily. He knows the bee is there to enjoy the flower too. Mochi peeks inside the heart of the flower and sees a sprinkle of shimmery golden pollen. It looks like magic fairy dust. He smiles. It all started with one little brown seed. He realizes that even the smallest things can bring the greatest joy. That one tiny magical seed has grown into a beautiful pink flower, making the whole garden happier and more colorful. Bees have a new friend to visit, and Mochi has a beautiful flower to admire. As Mochi sits in his garden, watching the bee buzz around his lovely pink flower, he feels a sense of pure happiness. It was a very magical and very green spring day, indeed. He learned that with a little bit of care, a little bit of patience, and a lot of love, you can help beautiful things grow. Now, let's see what we remember from our story. What color was the magic seed that Mochi found? That's right, it was brown. And what special tool did Mochi use to give the seed water? Yes, he used his shiny silver watering can. In the story, what color was the big, bright sun that helped the plant grow? It was yellow, just like a happy lemon. And for our last question, what amazing thing grew at the end of our story? You got it, a beautiful pink flower. You all did such a fantastic job. It was so much fun sharing the story of Mochi and the magic seed with you. Remember, just like Mochi, you can find magic all around you, especially in nature. Thank you for joining me today, friends. I can't wait for our next adventure together. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on more stories. Bye for now.